Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 wood lathes available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best wood lathes. The 5th product on our list is the Mophorn 10x18 inch. A wood workshop is not complete without a wood lathe, no matter how sophisticated or well-equipped it is. While professionals understand this, beginners may not have come to terms with how important it is, and even when they do, making the right choice of the ideal product for their project may seem challenging. So, whether you are a former or latter looking to invest in a heavy-duty wood lathe with a large work capacity, check out Mophorn Wood Lathe 10x18 inch. This unit features a 550-watt motor that runs at an adjustable speed range of 500 to 3,800 rotations per minute to ensure high and long-lasting performance. The motor starts softly to reduce torque, decreases the noise produced during operation, and extends its lifespan. It is easy to make precise speed adjustments on this model using the variable speed spindle control and digital display. You will get a 10-inch swing capacity over the bed and an 18-inch distance between the centers, with a moving tailstock to enable you to adjust the distance for work pieces. This model has a heavy-duty cast iron construction and rubber feet that enhance its durability, reduce vibrations, and keep it stable to ensure smooth turning operation. And with the adjustable professional tool rest, you can conveniently use this wood lathe for different turning projects in engineering labs, industries, home or school workshops, etc. Its pros are: it has a sturdy construction, it produces little noise during operation, and it has a precise speed adjustment. However, its cons are: its minimum speed of 500 rotations per minute may be too much for small projects, and its tool rest is not durable. The Mophorn 10x18 inch is suitable for beginners and professionals who need a high-performance wood lathe for various projects. Up next in 4th place is the Shopfox W1704. This product is just the wood lathe you need for your pen turning, small cutting, or shaping projects. The Shopfox may not be quite as powerful as the Mophorn 10x18 inch, but it has a great price point and does a remarkable job, especially on smaller projects. Its cast iron build and thoughtful design mean you can fit it neatly and firmly on a workbench without having to worry about vibrations at all. The motor runs on a 1/3 horsepower with variable speed control between 700 and 3,200 rotations per minute, turning different textures and types of wood smoothly. You get both 4.5 and 7-inch tool rests, an 8-inch swing capacity over the bed, and a 13-inch distance between centers so that you can use this wood lathe conveniently for different projects. There is also a safety paddle switch with a forward and reverse option, an empty #1 spur center, and an empty #1 live center. It even has a 3/4 by 16-inch TPI RH spindle, so you have everything you need no matter the project. You can also use the included 5.75-inch faceplate for non-spindle turning to hold down your projects that the tailstock cannot support. This product comes with a 2-year warranty and is compact and lightweight so that you get to move it with ease. Its pros are: it has a variable speed motor, it's robustly constructed, and it supports non-spindle turning. However, its cons are: it has weak bearings on the live center, and the bolts that hold the carving tool comes loose easily and require frequent tightening. The Shopfox W1704 is ideal for beginners, hobbyists, students, and DIYers who need a reliable wood lathe for their small projects. Still haven't found a wood lathe that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Delta Industrial 46460. Delta Industrial 46460 is popular among wood craftsmen and so far has gotten lots of positive reviews from them. Unlike the ShopFox W1704, it is a masterpiece designed for professionals to handle various turning projects at different speed rates. It features an industrial electronic variable speed control that enables you to alternate between different speed ranges: 250 to 720, 600 to 1800, and 1350 to 4000 rotations per minute. With this, you can conveniently carry out your heavy-duty project without changing belt position, thanks to the patented belt tensioning system that makes the speed-changing process quick and easy while also prolonging the service life of the tool. The motor runs at a maximum of 1 horsepower, powerful enough for different sizes and capacities of projects. And with a 12.5-inch swing rate, which happens to be the largest in its class, this wood lathe offers a competitive edge over its counterparts and takes your project to a different level. The 16.5-inch bed is ideal for turning stocks that require a short tail bed. However, if you need to make long turns, it will require an extension. Use the forward and reverse functions for utmost precision and accuracy if you want a smooth and clean finish. Although this may seem time-consuming, the outcome of your work will be worth it. Overall, this unit is built sturdily with cast iron to enhance its durability and strength, and comes with an indexing pin that locks the headstock spindle in 24 positions. The package includes a ball bearing live center, knockout bar, 6 and 10 inches tool rests, a chrome 3-inch faceplate, wrenches, and manual. There's even onboard storage to store your adjustment tools for easy access, and you get a 5-year worry-free warranty as well. Its pros are: it has a sturdy cast iron construction, it has an easy-to-adjust variable speed control, and its speed change does not require changing belt position. However, its cons are: it is a bit pricey, and it has no digital speed display. The Delta Industrial 4660 is ideal for professionals who want a versatile wood lathe that does not require changing belt positions to alter the speed. The second product on our list is the Powermatic 3520C. Imagine how convenient it will be to work with a wood lathe like Powermatic 3520C that can slow down its speed rate to as low as 15 rotations per minute. At 726 pounds, it is not a lightweight option, but you can be sure that once you fix it on your workbench, it will sit firmly without causing vibrations or any disruptions to your work. This is a wood lathe with one of the most powerful motors on the market. The Powermatic 3520 features a 2-horsepower engine that enhances its performance and has an electric variable speed control with low and high speed ranges. You get a movable control box with this product so that you can position it wherever you want. And besides, the 360-degree spindle makes it easy for you to work on the wood lathe with only one hand. Not only is this product built for long-term use, but your protection and safety are also put into consideration, which is why the VFD is fully enclosed and the main power switch is carefully positioned behind the headstock to prevent fire risk. The tailstock features an anti-rotation key and Acme threads that allow for smooth operation and enhance the product's lifespan. You can adjust the riser block for more comfortable turning and increase the work capacity to 35 inches between centers. And with the digital indexing readout, you can make accurate and precise changes to the speed level. Other features on this product include a sliding hammer knockout rod with a brass tip and self-ejecting laser-etched quill. You also get inbuilt storage that gives you quick access to your tools. Its pros are: it produces fewer vibrations during operation, it is CSA certified, and it is a high-performance machine. However, it is too heavy for regular transport. The Powermatic 3520C is suitable for professionals looking for a heavy-duty wood lathe with an adjustable riser block and versatile speed range. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top wood lathe is the Jet JWL 1221 VS. If you don't mind paying a little extra for a high-performance wood lathe, then the Jet JWL-1221VS is the ideal option for you. It runs quietly and smoothly at an optimal speed from 60 to 3,600 rotations per minute and has a digital readout display with which you get to make precise and accurate speed settings for different jobs. Rather than waste much time adjusting the belt position for various projects, like how it is with some other wood lathes, this unit features a ratcheting tension system that simplifies the process to help you stay productive. And because of the sturdy cast iron design, it is durable, stable, and will minimize vibrations during operation. The Jet JWL-1221VS lathe features a spring-loaded spindle lock that activates quickly and an indexing pin alongside it that makes for smooth removal of the threaded accessories from the tailstock. Its forward to reverse functions make for safe and smooth transition as well as fine finishing. Moreover, all the controls are located in easy-to-reach areas so that you can use them conveniently even while the tool runs. You even get 2 caddies to store your small tools and accessories and a 5-year warranty for worry-free use. Its pros are: it has versatile indexing positions, it has an optimal adjustable speed range, and it has a smooth forward and reverse transition. However, it is a hefty piece of equipment you'd struggle to move around between projects. The Jet JWL-1221VS wood lathe is suitable for beginners and professionals who need a reliable tool to sharpen and contour their woodwork beautifully. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.